Learn the complete assembly process of a roller screen in just 2 minutes. This is an 8-shaft gang depulverizing roller screen, mainly used for the front-end screening of large coal pieces. Before crushing, separate the large pieces from the small pieces. The equipment is not prone to material jamming or clogging during operation and has a large processing capacity. It can effectively reduce the burden on the subsequent crushing equipment, making the entire production line run more stably and smoothly.